Communist Party of India Marxist criticized the Congress's Bharat Jodo Yatra on Monday, that is September 13th, and targeted the Congress Party's plan to spend 18 days in the left-ruled Kerala and just 2 days in BJP-ruled Uttar Pradesh. CPIM calls this plan of the Congress Party a strange way to fight BJP RSS. Along with Rahul's caricature, the CPIM had tweeted, Bharat Jodo or Seat Jodo, 18 days in Kerala and 2 days in UP. Strange way to fight BJP RSS. As per the schedule, the former Congress president will be in the LDF-ruled Kerala till September 30th. The photo also carried maps of Kerala and Uttar Pradesh illustrating the difference in their size. In the 2019 Lok Sabha polls, Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan suffered a real jolt when the Congress-led UDF won 19 out of 20 seats in the state. The CPIM's fear of the Bharat Jodo Yatra is being attributed to the current political dynamics in the state. CPIM's remark prompted a strong response from the Congress, which derided the left as the A-team of the BJP in the southern state. Responding to the tweet, Jairam Ramesh, Congress General Secretary in charge communications, said, "Do your homework better on how and why Yatra was planned the way it is, and silly criticism from a party that is the A-team of BJP in the land of Mundu Modi." National Joint Secretary of Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh, Dr. Manmohan Vaidya, on Monday slammed the Congress over its Bharat Jodo Yatra, accusing the party of doing political gimmickry. The Congress wants to connect people through hatred and political gimmickry that would not serve the purpose of uniting masses. Congress harbored hatred for RSS and tried to prevent it, but the outfit expanded with the support of society, Mr. Vaidya said. Amid all the criticism, Rahul Gandhi responded, saying that even though the feet have blisters, the Congress are not going to stop the Bharat Jodo Yatra. Bharat Jodo is being portrayed as the single most important political initiative to save India from the divisive Hindutva ideology. Hence, it is expected that people opposed to the Hindu Rashtra, civic groups and secular political organizations aspiring for peace and harmony in the country would voluntarily support this initiative, shedding all their apprehensions and doubts about the Congress.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.